Well, here.
Here's my other.
Cameron, let's go.
And that's actually really cool.
She doesn't care. She's done it before. What am I gonna do?
So this is like cool squishies. And I even have a food.
So mad right now.
What? What?
The neighbor is chasing me again. So I'm gonna go in this house. So toodles.
And we have this little beaky. So many. Now, the first chance. All the ones, not this one, that's not toy. Get out. Here we go! Here's all the squishies. A bird. Get a thumbs up from the video. Well, you must see more. You can see all of it. So, this one is honestly my favorite because I like cats.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
This is a cute little mushroom, it looks like. I don't know what it is. So let's.
So we have this cute.
Sing for them.
How I go for any.
Don't get too close to the camera.
I can squishies. Squishies.
Very nice. Come on, Cameron, come on.
Oh, squishy, like. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, we need a big squishy, a donut squishy, and a puppy squishy. Here. Oh, that one smells good. Next one, this donut. It's a ginormous squishy donut, and it feels the squishiest. Then squish. What's this? Ew, that must be. So this one is super cool. I like it how it's squished, and it's really cool, and I like it how it puts my hands up. Squishy number.
I've got some binoculars.
Wait, are glasses?
Yeah.
I want to wear them.
No, you can't. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Bye, guys. Woo! Come on, I'm done.
Hey, don't make another video. Wait, did you already finish it? No. Yeah. Oh, these are binoculars.
I want to play.
No, you can't play. These are fake. Go now. Alright, are you still recording?
No.
Yeah, you are.
I don't want to go anymore. I don't want to go anymore. Hey guys. Whoa, look at all these squishies. Whoa, look at all these squishies.
We're playing a game called Hello Neighbor. I need to take a break.
Really?
Wait.